Hello friends, welcome to Maths with Tube and wish you a very happy new year. And today we discuss this problem which is related to the our important topic of numerical analysis book, and it is say that forward difference fx into gx equal to fx plus h, forward difference gx plus gx into forward difference fx. We can prove this, and now let us start. Firstly, we let two function which is fx and gx. We let function fx gx because this is given in the question. Okay, now then what we do, then we take LHS side. Take LHS side. What is LHS side? Forward difference fx into gx. Okay, now this forward difference multiply into both, so we can write this fx plus h into gx plus h minus fx into gx. This is coming from here because of fx equal to fx plus h minus fx. There is forward difference, so we read this is in the numerical analysis is in the first. So next what we do, we assume that fx plus h into gx plus h, and for showing this we let the fx plus h into gx plus fx plus h into gx, and this is minus fx gx. Now we take common fx plus h in bracket gx plus h minus gx, and this is gx in the bracket fx plus h minus fx. We know what is this. This is, so we write this fx plus h into forward difference of gx, because the forward difference fx is equal to fx plus h minus fx. So by this we write into this form, and plus gx and forward difference fx, taking this equation first, and we write using equation first, hence proved. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.